is video about unified power flow controller in three-phase system, and here we have taken three-phase grid utility grid as a source for this entire system, and the primary side of the UPSC is connected with source of that three-phase grid, and the secondary side is interconnected with the large distributed power system using series and shunt controller, series and shunt converter using current controller. So the UPFC contains both series and shunt converter interconnected with common DC link. So here that the shunt converter controls that AC voltage and DC voltage, while the series converter controls that active and reactive power of the UPFC system. So here we can check that system measurement of the UPFC system and three-phase grid. This is the active and reactive power of the grid, and this is for inverter active power and reactive power. And this is three-phase rectifier control, means the control reference of IDQ and ID reference and IQ reference with modulation index. And this is the secondary voltage of line to line. This is the line to line voltage of secondary side, and this is the common DC voltage. And here we can check that voltage of grid and current of shunt active, that shunt converter, and we can check the phase voltage amplitude of that grid voltage, and here we can check that PQ response of that active and reactive power from grid voltage and shunt current. And this is the common VDC of inverter. And here we can check that shunt converter active and reactive power. And here we can check that the combination of grid voltage and shunt current active and reactive power.